Iowa. First 3 games here at Huntington Park, the breeze has been a big part of it. Well, the base is going to be a big part of what goes on right here. A ground ball worm burner that hopped over the worms but caught the second. Very, very strong arm behind home plate. Decides to back pick. Well, here's a ball toward the gap. On the run, though, and making the catch, Stuart Fairchild. Johnson has to retreat. It's just the beginning of the season. At some point, there's probably going to be an opportunity for a guy like him at the major league level. He basically came down to the last position player cut. Veteran presence, 30 years of age, 2 homers yesterday. Next offering pulled this time on the ground foul. The next step. The 1-1. High fly ball to left field, but not deep. Coming in on it. Garcia, he'll make the catch on the run, and one left fielder retires the other, 1 away. As big as coaching staffs have gotten, and it's basically one staff member for every 2 players at this point, there is a matchup. Fairchild fly to left field first time up. Looks at a pitch well outside for ball 1. You know, Tyler back down without any runs and now just mowing through the Clippers. Infield back, outfield straightaway. Next pitch hit right off the end of the bat, and that is to the mound. Davis has it. Runs to first, underhand flip, 1 down. So next time somebody disagrees, they can consult with Skynet. It's been kind of a struggle in this inning. Walked the first man. Gave up a homer. Now a base hit to Fairchild as he punches one through the left side. Potential tying run aboard, and Cody Huff will stand in. Huff a pop out and a walk.
Seattle starting last Tuesday.
Next pitch. Hit through the left side again. Huff is aboard with a hit. When you're out in Arizona nationally, what to make of the Cleveland Guardians offseason? Next pitch. Swing. Drive. Deep right field. Did he get enough? That ball is high off the wall. Fairchild wheeling around third base. He will score, and we are tied. Milan Tolentino put a charge into one on a day where the wind is not blowing in from right center field. The Clippers are on top. As it is, Tolentino has to settle for an RBI double, and we are knotted at 3.
Got a fastball, Ryan, right in the happy zone. Teed off and drilled it high into the jet stream, and it propelled high into the air enough to really advance these runners. Fairchild able to get a 2-1. Rodriguez swings and skies it into the left center field. Fairchild over. He makes the grab. Fletcher tags from third. He scores. And Indianapolis grabs.
2-run homer. Milan Tolentino, an RBI double. Here's a swing and a drive deep to left field. Fairchild back on it at the warning track. Makes the running catch for out number 3. Clippers put first pitch, breaking ball inside. Justin Mice back out there for a second inning of work. He walked a man in the 7th, but allowed no runs and no hits. Next pitch inside, and it drills Fairchild. Andy from center field. Next pitch, that's in the dirt, gets away. Fairchild takes second base on the wild one. Set by Mice. Now the payoff pitch, and it missed inside. Tried to bring that back over the inside corner. A 3-run home run in the 6th inning. Hit it high up the wall, but not quite over it. Next pitch swung on and bashed to center field. That is deep. Back on it, Fletcher, and this one's going to go off the very top of the wall. Tolentino with the double as Fairchild comes wheeling around to score. The Clippers nibble closer. Boy, Milan has missed having a 2-homer night by about 4 vertical feet.
He gave it a ride deep to straightaway center, and that wind gusting it back, and still it nearly inched that yellow padded top of the fence. But he left no doubt.
You know, it's the right-hander. And the offering here is high, so the pitch. Swing and a miss. Fairchild has put together really good at bats for the Clippers so far in this young season. Batting .353. A couple of homers yesterday. And we've got a warning on Sanders, not a clock violation. The pitch. Check swing and a high fastball. He did not go. Well, the pitch. Swing and a miss. Chased a breaking ball outside. It got a Clippers at all stations. Here's the pitch. And he blew a fastball by.